Welcome to the latest update from 24 Trains TV. We're once again taking a look at the new videos you can now watch on 24 Trains TV. If you're not yet a subscriber, you won't be able to watch them in full, so make sure to sign up soon. For just €4.99 per month, you can get started, or try it out for 7 days free of charge. The Rollbahn is the nickname for the railway line that connects the Ruhr area with Hamburg. A very important and therefore busy railway connection. Plenty of reason to stand along the line and see what passes by. Be amazed by the wide variety that comes along. From steam locomotives to Vectrons, everything rolls by on the Rollbahn. The Bavarian S26 is in real life a remarkable and impressive sight on the rails. But even in scale 1, the model holds its own. Especially when Märklin equips the model with smoke and sound. But even an S26 in scale 1 looks tiny next to the famous Big Boy in the same scale. Be impressed by these fantastically detailed models and enjoy the lifelike sounds. Nowadays, all trains are equipped with ingenious and complex safety features. In the past, especially in the Eastern Bloc, things were quite different. Thanks to this fascinating instructional film from the archives of the Deutsche Reichsbahn, the East German Railways, you can discover how the safety system of that era operated. See how the East Germans kept their railways safe in a way that was simple yet effective. The railway line from Sulmona to Isernia runs through a beautiful region of Italy. To celebrate the 120th anniversary of the line, a steam train with historic carriages was operated. On the striking viaduct, the train has to work hard to climb uphill. And that's all for now. These are the new additions from 24 Trains for this week. More than 5,000 videos are waiting for you on 24 Trains TV, and with that, we'll certainly keep you engaged until the next update. Not a subscriber yet? What are you waiting for? Become one as soon as possible. It's available from just €4.99 per month, or try it first with a 7-day free trial on 24 Trains TV.